being kind to us so far. And, the way October finished up, I think it's only fair.
It is. And, then you start rethinking things about, I have my snow tires are going on November 18th. Right now, it seems outrageous, but it can change really quickly. So it's kind of,
You never know.
Can happen anytime.
Even you never know.
Yeah. Well, if I could make an appointment 7 days in advance, I would know for sure, but I can't. You gotta take a shot at it at some point. And now temperatures in the mid 50s. This is not crazy above average stuff, but I think it's that we haven't had any really strong extremes in the downside. We've been either above average or just about average, but nothing really, really cold. And that really does continue through this week as well. A couple of rain and snow showers out there. Do get used to the idea that the atmosphere is cold enough now over the next, really through the week, that any rain showers that run into the terrain will become snow showers in the higher terrain. Not a big deal, not unusual for this time of the year. A couple sprinkles, flurries through the first half of tonight. After that, we clear out and temperatures drop down to freezing or below. And I think that's the case even along the coastline. So we get down to, 30, 31 degrees along the coast. Might be a little bit warmer over down east, but it's chilly for sure. 20s in the mountains. So it's a chilly start tomorrow, but we start with a good amount of sunshine. We have to drag this trough through still. That'll happen tomorrow afternoon. So you'll see more clouds in the afternoon, isolated shower, and then snow flurry. It's actually not dissimilar to what we saw today with just isolated kind of scattered stuff around. And then we're quite cool tomorrow night. Temperatures in the 20s, even to the coastline, most likely mid-20s into the mountains. But it's a mixture of sun and clouds for Thursday. Not a bad day, upper 40s or so. So pretty boring, frankly, but that's a good thing for most people. Trough comes through. That's that chance of a shower tomorrow. High pressure on either side. One there, one coming in from the west for the weekend. That will deflect a storm on Friday. I feel confident about that. There's a storm behind it, though, that's still a little bit more interesting. That's for Sunday night and into Monday. Now, the models still have it as a miss, but watch how it kind of plows into this ridge. So if this ridge is off just by a little bit and it's out here, then this storm could get in here on Monday. So we'll keep an eye on it. Right now it is out to sea, but any storm that develops here over the next few weeks will have extra juice or extra energy to work with. Sea surface temperatures still well above average all the way across the eastern seaboard. And so that gives all these storms more potent potential, something to think about for next week and something we already saw, frankly, over the last couple of storms. Seas around 2 to 3 feet, northwest winds coming in at 5 to 10 knots, pretty quiet. Weekend looks good. We do have fall back there on Saturday night, and then Sunday looks like high clouds in the low to mid 50s, and then we could make a run at 60 next week. Has to do honestly with what happens with that storm. We do not necessarily need more rain. I'm kind of rooting for this one to go out to sea, even though I'm bored, because I think with the amount of rain we've had, another windstorm would be a problem. So.
Generally speaking, when you're bored, everybody else is happy, so let's keep it that way.
Well, unless it's around the newsroom, then I'm talking to people that are not happy.
That's our cross.
That's just you guys. Yeah.
Thanks, Keith.